Imagine your new neighbors have invited you to dinner. Rich aromas fill the air, and wine and conversation are flowing freely.
He'll never forget to read the fine print again.
It's delicious, Bob. Thank you. I've never tasted anything like it.
Tell us, how do you make this?
Sure. First of all, you start with 3 pounds golden retriever, well marinated, and then you
What
take
did they say? Golden retriever?
Oh, I forgot. You are Americans with your love affair of dogs. What? You look like you saw a ghost. I'm just kidding. There is nothing but plain old beef. What? You're not going to eat it now?
It's a bit hard to get that image out of my mind. Golden retriever, a dog, an animal on my plate. It's disgusting. It's not normal.